YouTube world, what's going on? Daryl Jones getting ready for another lift. And we're gonna hit some, well, of course we're doing a total body lift. So we're gonna do some shoulders, light legs, shrugs, and some curls. And that's basically it. So enjoy this video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Tell me how your splits are. I'll check it out. And let's get going. I'm starting off with overhead press. Now, when you're doing overhead press movements, please make sure, well, in general, warm up properly. Because the last thing you want to have happen to you is a shoulder injury from not warming up, man. The last thing you want to do, because remember, the shoulders are delicate. Now, I got 135 on here. I'm going to increase my weight, but I'm going to use 135 as an extended warm-up / first set. So really, my second set is going to be my first set, if that makes sense to you. Come on. And all depends on how this set feels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And before you say anything, no, you do not have to go all the way down. You don't. That puts too much strain on the shoulders. For me, I like to go chin level. That's more than enough range of motion. Coming all the way down makes no sense. Now, y'all know how I feel about my legs, but like I always say, I still got to do them. So I'm going to do single leg press with 185, 10 to 12 each leg, and moving on. So that's how my supersets go. I did the shoulder, hit the legs, because I know if I don't do my total body lifts, my legs don't get done for the most part. I mean, they do, but it's like real light. I lost count. I'm gonna switch. I do that all the time. Even with my clients, I lose count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew. And that's the superset with that. Round number 2 coming up. That's crazy. Oh. All right. I'm gonna continue to film in. It's a tornado watch, so that's why the lights flickered. So 145. If it flickers on and off, I apologize in advance. Man, can't stop working out when the weather's bad. If the screen goes black, again, like I said when we were doing the shoulders, there's a tornado watch and the light started flickering. It's supposed to be 80 mile per hour winds. So the show must go on no matter what. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So another way, if you're not big into doing a certain body part, like for me it's legs, if you don't feel like going crazy on it, then find ways to make it harder, like do unilateral work. You don't have to go heavy, but it's still challenging for you. And that goes with anything. If you're doing chest and you don't want to go heavy on the bench press, just make the weight lighter. Simple. Still got to work out. No need to show you the third set. You get the gist of what I'm doing. So we're going to move on. Well, I'm going to finish my last set. We're going to move on onto some lateral raises or front raises, I can't remember, with some band pull aparts. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Now we're gonna do some dumbbell front raises, 15 reps. Supersetted that with some band pull aparts. 1, 2, could do, pull apart standing up, but you could do them sitting down too with the single band. I like to switch it up like that sometimes. Give me a little bit more back support. Focus on my rear delts. 1, 2, make the band a little bit tighter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, and you guys notice anytime I do band pull aparts, I always stick with the light orange bands. I do higher reps. If you get the red bands a little bit heavier, form starts to break. No need for that. Now I could do 20 reps. Let's see what we got. But I don't want to bore y'all with the reps though. Now you could do the front raises like this if you want to, or hammer style. I like to do it hammer style because I feel like it hits my anterior delts more for me. I just like to pump better. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Back to the pull aparts. Now you want to make the tension harder, just get the band closer, that's all. But be strict with the form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now when you're doing pull aparts, you don't have to do them completely straight through. You want to challenge yourself a little, boy. You could break them up in 5. So you do 5 reps, squeeze for 5 seconds. For like 2 seconds. 5 reps, squeeze for 2 seconds. Get a good pump in the rear delts. We're gonna do some barbell shrugs. Now I can go heavier, but today I just want to focus on the squeeze. A little bit tired today, didn't get good sleep as usual. So I'm just gonna get the squeeze, good 15 reps, no straps. May use chalk on the next set. Nothing to it on that one. Just get a good squeeze, no rotation in the shoulders. Bad for the shoulders, all right? Not a good thing. So 15 reps, now we're gonna do some cable curls. With some curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, y'all, that was it. Good workout today. Hope y'all enjoyed that video again. Thanks for stopping by. Show some love to the channel. I'll see y'all next time. And of course, you know I'm throwing out more videos non-stop when I can. So see y'all next time.